Well, if you guys want to know what happened to the car, I will show you. Here it is. What's up, guys, and welcome back to Chasing the Checkered. Welcome back to Auburndale Speedway. We are here with the Mod Mini tonight at Auburndale Speedway. Yes, we are here with the Mod Mini. Last video that we shot, we were working on the Mod Mini and had to replace the fuel lines and all that jazz. It's hot, so I'm sitting in front of the golf cart. But it's been crazy. Sorry I haven't been able to video much. We got the Daytona worked on and had baseball with my son, and just trying to work on the car at nighttime has made it very difficult to film and all that jazz. So we're here at Auburndale with the Mod Mini. 30 laps tonight, I believe, 25, 30 laps. I'm not sure how many cars are here. Came out Thursday night. So we came out Thursday night because we had baseball on Friday, so I wasn't able to practice on Friday. So we came out Thursday for a short test and tune night, just us. And we had a little carburetor issues, but we should have that fixed. So we're just hanging out now. We're here early, and thanks to all the sponsors on board. We'll get this thing. We're going to staging. Here we go. One. Okay, guys, I don't know if you can hear me or not. Went out for practice and the car picked up a pretty significant push. We're quick, but we had handling issues. So we've been wrenching on this thing, trying to close up the rear stagger, messing with the front stagger and air pressures, ride heights, so on and so forth. So we are starting second row outside in the heat. I believe there are 10 cars here tonight for the Mod Minis. We're all in one heat. So we're fixing to go out for the heat race. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Let's see what happens in the heat race, and hopefully we have a good piece to put together. Hopefully we fixed the handling issue. We were not able to go back out for a second round of practice. So hopefully the adjustments that we made are gonna work, and we'll find out here momentarily. So stay tuned, here we go. and as you can tell, we finished 4th. That's awesome. I'm good with it. There is some bad blood out here between a couple of the drivers, so it's not worth it to me to put me and my race car into that, you know, into that situation. So I'm just gonna let those guys, I mean, we're fast enough to run with them. I'm just gonna kind of lay back a little bit, let those guys hash it out between themselves, and hopefully we pick up a top 3 in the feature. So stay tuned as we get it ready for feature time. Here we go. it's Monday. I was aggravated at the races, not for anything, that just was one of those deals that we struggled all day long. It seemed and couldn't figure out why. We had a push in the car. Made a lot of adjustments Saturday at the track after the first round of practice. Felt good in the heat race. For it was only 8 laps though, so it had short run speed. Where we laid down second fastest lap in our class in the heat race, which is a good thing. Feature time came around and started outside front row, and just couldn't get the car to turn very well. Kind of fell back to fourth. Ran there for I think 8. We were in second for a couple laps, like 4 or 5 laps, and then fell back to fourth. Car handling steadily went away, and then had a caution. I went to the outside of Jason Lester, and it didn't. The car just wouldn't turn. So we did get into the fence a little bit, as you can see. But other than that, I mean, there's no significant body damage. But yeah, the tire is literally coming apart, chunked out, and all the way around. So not I mean, we got some concrete in the wheel and some dust, but other than that, there's no other damage. Just overall finished fifth. Got finished fourth in the heat race. Ended up with second due to the 2 cars being disqualified for the unsportsmanlike conduct after the checkered flag. But I can't say enough about this team, man. And we're compared to some of those other guys out there, we have one of the smallest motors, and it is what it is. We're learning this class, but huge shout out to my team for helping me try to figure out what the cause was. Chris Nearmore Sr., Chris Spring. We jumped on this thing Saturday morning. Had carburetor issues. Had to change the float. Had to change the power valve in the carburetor. And without those guys, we probably wouldn't have made it out to the track Saturday. The sponsors on the car, Q Injury Auto Attorneys, thank you guys so much for everything that y'all have done for us. Mach 1 Race Cars, the setups, Hubbard Family Trucking, Fleming Family Racing, Smith Drywall, Mr. Steve Smith, and Martin's Used Cars, martinscars.com, and King Auto Sales. Definitely want to give a huge shout out to my buddy Clay Cruz, who showed up to help me wrench on this thing. I know Steve and the guys were super busy with Pro Late Model from Mach 1. It was their debut with the new late model, so they were tied up, and Clay jumped in there. Bray Holmes for spotting for me, kept me calm, especially after contact with the wall, and coached me through the entire night, just because I was starting to get excited, and I beat myself up. Just I wasn't happy with the finish, but congratulations to Jason Lester and Nick Cummins and Kenny Ewell, first, second, third. It's my first time racing against Jason Lester. I know he has a rap sheet a mile long that people say he's aggressive and this, that, and the other. He ran me clean. He talked to me before and after the race. Same thing with Nick Cummins. It was a good race, clean race. Kenny Ewell, he's helped me a lot on this car. I did get into Ronnie Abney. We've already talked to him, and so we just got to pull this out. It'll come back. But guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and give me a comment. Let me know where you guys are watching Chasing the Checkered from. I see my views are kind of all over the place. So we're racing back at Auburndale this Saturday night. Car where we're going to put tires on it, check the tow, but it's pretty much ready to rock and roll. Thank God. So you guys continue to support me, and I'm going to keep trying to put out the best content I can for you guys. And we'll see y'all next time. Bye bye.